based on on what they do. And she has used the word good or bad. But I want to give more other usages. I've seen her say about the friend and about who? Teacher, and then there was Maseli. The friend is known as? Yeah? Zero. So she has used the words good or bad, which is okay, but we need more explanations maybe from other groups. Yes, now we can go to group 2. What did you find out? Yeah. Just to be loud enough so that everybody hears. Uh-huh.
He was honest to the manager when he forget the money.
So she has told us that Mweseli is honest because he frankly tells the manager, the hotel manager, that he had forgotten money at home instead of pretending that he has lost it or something. Any other? Yes.
Teacher. He was helpful when he helped Zero and
helpful when? Yeah, so she has also told us the teacher was helpful by paying the bill for the 2 students. Any other maybe? Zero.
He was a great keeper because when Moshe left, he ordered some food for himself without asking our permission.
Which we can call secretive. So, yeah, tell me. Do you have another? Oh, thank you. Let's appreciate her. So we can see that instead of using good or bad, she has helped us more to get words like helpful, honest, and secretive. The next group.
He was respectful because he treated my parents teacher. Because he helped
So let's appreciate her again. Now we are here. Now.
Mweseli, he is honest. He went back home to bring money and he came back. Teacher, he is kind-hearted. He paid the bill that Mweseli and Zero did. Zero, he is polite. He greeted Mweseli.
Let's appreciate this group again. And we move to the next.
Explain everything to the manager what had happened. He left Zero at the restaurant and went for the money and came back as he promised. Teacher curious. He joined Mweseli and the manager and asked what was wrong. Compassion. He paid for Mweseli the extra bill that he was owed. Patient. Zero. Patient. He waited for Mweseli to arrive. And pay the bill.
Okay, let's appreciate that. The next group.
He was clever and I recommend that he was not
So you are saying he is Oh, greedy. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
He was a kind-hearted man that he managed to pay for material growth, the base and discipline.
Okay. Good. Let's appreciate the next.
Obedient and disciplined. He was respectful to his parents and given the manager zeal and caring. He didn't care. He didn't care whether Marcel had the money or not.
Uh-huh.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Wanted to know what was happening at the restaurant when the boys were with the manager.
Okay. Let's appreciate. Then for this, we can start from there so that we finish here. Start from there.
He ordered that the manager teacher, hearing, he paid for 0,7 without
You said the teacher was caring. Okay, thank you. Let's appreciate. He was? Oh, foolish. Okay. Mhm. Okay, let's appreciate that group. Here.
character traits of Moseli, Azira, and teacher.
Mhm.
On Moseli, he says that Moseli was respectful because he respected her parents and decided to ask for permission before going out with the
Mhm.
And the character traits of Zero, he was obedient, he obeyed his parents and defeated them. And the character traits of teacher, the teacher was caring, cared for Moseli and Zero and decided to pay the bill for them.
Okay, let's appreciate. Then finally here.
Moseli, honest. He explained to the manager that the remaining balance will give him later because Moseli forget the money at home. Courageous. Moseli explained to the manager what happened when they realized that he had forgotten the money and decided to leave the hotel without telling anyone so that he could come back with the money as soon as possible. Teacher, kind-hearted.
Zero, you said?
No.
Oh, not yet. Okay. Marceli? Courageous and honest. Oh. Let's go. Uh-huh. Teacher?
Kind-hearted. The teacher paid the remaining balance after having the old credit.
Okay.
Patient. He was very patient because he waited for Moseli to go and give out the money. Selfish. He ordered another food knowing that Moseli was having a great bill and no other money to have.
Okay. Let's appreciate. Yeah, I told you, you people, you have been prepared well. And I can see that from what you are doing because I'm checking here. What is the common trait that most groups have given? Honest for Marceli, right? Followed by which one? Kind for the teacher. Then patient for Zero. Truthful Truthful, which is almost like honest, huh? Respectful, caring teacher. Then we have obedient. This one I want us to discuss. When we say one is obedient, how do we test whether you are obedient or not? Yes? Yeah.
By seeing the way you behave and the way you talk.
Like, what would you have to do to your parents for us to say you're obedient?
Like Moiseli, if he was not obedient, he would just go out with their friend
Without asking for permission. We agree. Now, do we agree that 0 is obedient? So who is supposed to be obedient here? So this one should be pushed to Marceli, because 0, unless we say that he's told to stay and wait and he waits, maybe, unless we rely on that, the fact that you follow the orders. Then I want us to look at something. There was something I saw. Do you think the order that he made was out of selfishness and uncaring? You don't have to disagree or agree. Decide. What do you think? When you have gone out with your friend and your friend realizes they have not actually carried the money, then they leave you and go back for the money. Then you decide to order for more food without having consulted them. Are you uncaring, selfish, or foolish? I want you to argue as you share your thoughts, because different people will give different characters based on what you think. Someone tell us why. Where are you getting that uncaring part? Or what is making you think it's uncaring and not selfish? Yes. So he did not even care whether he himself will be told to now chonga viazi, right? Any other person who thinks otherwise? Why would we say that was a selfish act? Why would we say it's selfish and not uncaring? Because different people have given different answers based on the ordering. You see, order, order, order. Yes? When you are called by your friend to go out with them for a date and to enjoy, does it mean that friend should bill everything? No. That is why I think it's selfish, because when you're going out with your friend has told you, can we go out, at least carry something. He should have carried some little money, even if it's not equal to what Marceli had. But he just goes for that out without anything. This should be a selfish person, because does it mean they don't have anything at all? I don't think so. So that is why we should think he's selfish. Why should we say he's foolish? Why would we say he's foolish also in making that order?
He knew that his friend went to get the money, the exact money.
Yeah.
But he decided to order another food.
Yeah.
Without concerning his friend. And that is because
yeah,
you cannot just go out with your friend and just eat another food without telling him or her.
Yeah, by the way, whoever is paying for you should actually approve, isn't it? Yes. When you have gone even in a hotel with a friend, and then you have been given an order, you are supposed to show them already what you have picked so that you see whether they'll afford or not. If they cannot afford, you would rather have just sat on the table and waited. Why was it necessary that he was supposed to eat for him to delay? Even if they suspected, there's no problem. He could just sit. He's not going away. So why would he have ordered for an equal amount of food? And that's why, again, we are saying he is greedy. because he wants to eat too much. His friend has eaten equally like him, but for him, he orders another share of the same, which is greedy of him. There is another place I want to ask some. Hardworking, clever, intelligent. Yeah, here we have given these three, and I agree with them. Loving, caring, and concerned. I want you to help me understand what is the difference between someone being loving, caring, and being concerned. Can someone tell us when someone is loving? How do you know that someone is loving? Even a teacher or your mother? Anyone else to help her? She has already given us some. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Someone is having everything you told you,
Mm-hmm.
he or she you told you.
Yeah.
When anything is happening, he told you.
Mm-hmm.
When something wants to happen, he invites you.
Mm-hmm. So for her, she rates love based on giving you information. That one sounds to me like truthful. How would you know, like, let's say in the dorm, that your friend loves you, or even your classmate loves you? How would you know? Yes? How they treat you? Like, how should they treat you? Because one of the commonest word is love. We normally say love, love all the time. Whether it's our parents, whether it's our siblings, whether it's strangers. So how do you decide that this one loves me, this one hates me? Let's listen to her.
A person who loves you,
Yeah.
wants good things to happen to you,
Mm-hmm.
and will always be caring
Mm-hmm.
and not.
So you realize that loving brings concern and care, right? Because of the love the teacher had for the students, that is why the teacher had to be concerned about what is happening to them, or else the teacher would just have walked away. And that is why the teacher was curious to ask what is happening. And then, because of that concern, there was an urge to care. Because the teacher would have quarreled them and asked them, why did you come to buy if you didn't have money? Why did you eat more? But we didn't see that part, which means the teacher cared more about if these students will be safe. That is what is more important. Like if your parent loves you, you've done something wrong. If they punish you, do they love you?
Yes.
Some are saying no, some are saying yes. Who says yes? Tell us why. Maybe let's say you've gone out for, let's say during half term, you've gone back home. Then your mother has left you in charge of the younger sibling. Then instead of sitting at home, you went away and left the sibling. They didn't even eat. So your mother comes back, one of the sibling is even lost. So if your mother punishes you, for example, do they love you?
Yes.
Now tell me. Because someone said that if those people normally want good things for you. Now I want you to relate goodness and this punishment and what you did. Yes. They are correcting you so that you have a better future. In future, you'll be responsible. We have aspects in the we want of everyone. Yeah.
She's correcting me,
Mhm.
and she's trying to let me be with this school.
Yeah.
And even also be
So if anyone even punishes you, but they are bringing good sense in you, and they don't over-punish, because again, over the holiday, I don't know, maybe you read it on social media. You remember the parent who actually burned the child?
Yes.
That one, you are causing hurt. You are hurting this person. As far as you want to correct, you are not correcting with moderation. We are supposed to correct children with moderation, right? We are not supposed to overcorrect. Like I read in the, was it yesterday's newspaper or what? There is a school known as Chuka. I don't know if anyone of you knows Chuka Girls, whereby a student, whenever you do any mistake, including sleeping in class, will be made to dig we call them stumps, for a whole 2 weeks. So you'll be spending 2 weeks outside the whole day digging the stumps. Is that really correction? No. Because correction, at least I can tell you, go sweep the dining hall. And then you finish and come back. But if I give you a punishment that will now make you miss class all through, that one is not really caring. So I just wanted to understand, because I hear some children, if they are punished, they feel like they are hated. One of us said that, and I want them to tell us, why do you feel like if you are punished, then you are hated? One person said, punishment will not be caring. Atlas, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But children have explained, is that mistake not the child's? Because, and again, why do parents sometimes, if you are 3 of you, they punish all of you? I remember for us, we grew up 3 girls together, like we were following each other, 3 years, 3 kids. And most times, whenever something was wrong, they would punish all of us. Why? Because it's very difficult. You don't want to point out whoever did. So they would punish all of us so that we say whoever did. And if we don't, it means it is us who have decided to be punished as all of us. For example, if somebody makes noise in this class and the teacher is at the ground floor, then they come out and ask, who did it? Will you say who has done it? Yeah. Most of you will not. So if they punish all of you, will they have done a mistake? No, because they are teaching you again to be honest. So it's complex, but we try to understand. So today we have actually understood the character trait. Now, is it right for us to say someone is good or someone is bad? Is it right when you are asked to give character traits? Because I believe in primary, in JSS, we keep saying primary because it's we used to say that. When you are in JSS handling Becker's misfortune, the what? All those, the bridges without rivers, and all those stories, strange happenings. When you are told to describe a character, were you saying whether they are bad or good? So maybe you can correct now, friend, in group 1. Next time you are given maybe a task to describe someone, don't say they are good or bad. We can state you are good. For example, if you are greedy, we can say now you are bad. But now when you just say bad, we will not understand. Is it out of being greedy? Is it out of being selfish? Or all these one make you, but it doesn't give us your character trait. All these ones give us you as a good person, but they don't give us the character trait. So anytime you are asked to talk about character traits, then you are supposed to understand that you talk about it by specifying. It's just like I ask you, how was lunch? Then you say nice. Have you answered me? No, you've not, because you are supposed to be specific. So that specific aspect is required. So the next activity that I gave you was supposed to be narrating the same story. Did you rehearse on that? Why? Yeah, you didn't have the, now you have the books, but it's not in your books. It was supposed from what we listened, right? Yes. So the next lesson tomorrow, we'll be focusing on this substrand here. We'll be looking at that conversation, and you are supposed to be like a pair. You are supposed to talk to a pair around you, and then after that, we are supposed to record. Yes. Yeah. Oh, you sit here. Okay, well. So the next one, you are supposed to listen to a recording of a telephone conversation between Jerry and Sharon. And it should be in relation to booking a hotel. Who is good in dramatization so that you help us? Two people. One person will be Jerry, another person Sharon. Neema, where is Neema? We need two, but we'll record various so that we hear the different. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For a lesson, we need at least maybe 5 pairs, 10 people. So get some time, plan on the two of you. Rehearse on your telephone conversation. Focus towards maybe booking something or asking something. Make it at least maybe 2 minutes or 3 longer. Then we will want to see how you introduced it and how you finished it and how you asked questions to each other, right? Yeah, so tomorrow that's what we'll be doing after we go through this Mweseli and manager discussion. Yeah. So let's do that then. How many of you are taking literature? Because I've been told, because literature you are 80 students, it is possible they'll switch now, Madam, is it Beverly, to come teach English from Monday as I take literature in the other class. Yeah, she's just as good as me. Yeah. You. So she's good. Don't be disgruntled. Yeah. All right. So prepare for tomorrow. Let's go through that. And I wish we were supposed to finish this, but we'll see how far we go. Yeah. Have a good day.